Learn English with Zach and Peter.
Chapter 7, Hospital Blues. Hello everyone. Welcome to another lesson. I am very excited about this one, Peter. Everyone enjoy.
Hello, how are you?
I am okay, thanks. How are you?
Great, thanks. How can I help you today?
I am a little under the weather. Excuse me.
Okay. What are your symptoms other than being blue?
I have always been blue. That is not a symptom.
Oh, I am sorry. I am sorry you are that sad.
Nope. I am just blue.
So you had a pre-existing condition that has kept you blue, and alongside you feeling ill is making it worse?
No, I have always been the color blue.
So a chronic illness that has kept you blue and is probably what is keep you sick right now?
No. I have always been blue.
Oh, okay, so just sick then. It has nothing to do with the fact that you are blue?
Right.
I see. Why didn't you say so? No problem. So what are your symptoms?
Runny nose, coughing, itchy throat and...
Hypothermia?
No, why do you say that?
Because that would explain why you are blue.
My skin is blue. I am blue. I have always been blue.
Oh, I see. It is not because you are too cold?
Nope.
Wonderful! Please come in. The doctor will see you now.
Thanks.
Next patient.
Don't even try it.
Okay, no problem. What are your symptoms?
That was pretty funny. It really was. Let's us go over the new words of the day.
Symptoms.
Illness. Hypothermia.
Sick. Condition. Nice job everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.